G'day. I got fan problems with my Volcano, and there's not much online I could find to help fix it. People kept saying, send it back, send it back. Well, anyway, so I fixed it, and you won't believe what I did. This is like, I've had this for 10 years, and it's a bit of a rookie mistake, but anyway, this might help someone else out too with their fan motor. So I just got the torque screw, the torque driver, undid the screws. It comes off and it's attached to the digital display at the front, so be real careful. So that's a bit better. So after I cleaned it out very carefully, tipped all the upside down, got a little dust out of it, there's the intake hose which goes from there up and out of the fan and into the chamber here. And I thought, let's just check that out. So I checked it for pressure. There's good pressure. I went, oh, okay. Well, that means that the fan inside's working all right. How about the filter? So I checked the filter. It needs replacing, so I'm going to replace it. But still got the problem. So, oh no, now what? So I thought, well, hang on. If I'm getting good fan pressure out here, what's going on? So there's good pressure right to here, but not from here on. Well, what's from here on? This is. And I looked at this and I went, you're kidding me. You can't see through it. See how you can see through it? You couldn't even see through it. I've been using a bit of dust and it just clogged up quickly. I usually clean it once a month, and anyway, that's how to fix it. This is how to clean it. You get your little dust brush and pop it out. Now you got that. Hold it with tweezers, take it outside and set it on fire, and all of the carbon burns out and it's left, and then it goes real brittle, and then you just flick it, and then all of the stuff that you've burnt comes out and you've cleaned it back to brand new again. This was charred, so you don't have to buy new ones, you just clean them out each time. And then get this warm, wipe that out too, it comes out pretty nice, and then get a piece of paper towel and spray it with metho or iso, and then slowly put it through and wring it through and pull it out the other end, and it cleans out the barrier inside. And then if you want to get real full on, you can pop that out. I did that, and then just make sure everything's nice and clean. And here's a good way of putting it back in, just so you can fit more in your chamber. You don't do what they do there, push it right up. See how it goes right up? Look how much my finger goes right into there. So I can get that much up there if I want. Not that I do it, but it's just an easy way. Yeah, while we're at the maintenance, I noticed this had a bit of a crack because I had air leaking out the other day. So that comes out and it's just got a bit of metal piece. So you get that, and that's going to go in the bin, that thing. Keep those 3 pins, and this just goes back in. Clip. Then you put the pins back in. I haven't got my glasses on. Here's the right way. That way, and that face it outwards. 1, 2, 3. That's in. See how they go down, push a little clip thing. And this one to make it sit outwards too. Oh. There we go. Brand new. And if that grill needs, I'd poke it out too at the same time, but it doesn't need doing. It's more so the top one. And for those who've used theirs a lot, I don't have the blue thing on it anymore. There you go. Hope that really helps with the fan motor. Thanks for watching. See ya. Have a good day. Bye.